Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. All of these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And I am so excited to show y'all because we have 2 exclusive collections, another collection of sticker packs, some doodles, the limited color of the week, and a foil bundle. And y'all, let's just get into it. Also, I'm filming this quite early. Usually I film these on Saturday night or Sunday, but I'm actually filming this on Friday. So if there's any other additions to this week's new releases, I will put them on Instagram and show them as soon as possible. But let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, let's go over one of our Valentine's exclusive arts. Our last one. We had Till Death last week, and also Ratatouille was kind of like Valentine's vibes, Valentine's but not Valentine's. But I wanted to do one that was kind of like vintagey retro vibes. So let's go through this. So this is exclusive art. You won't find it anywhere else. And I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. I love red and purple together. And I just think this turned out so cute. So this one is called Sweethearts. And you have lots of candy and treats. So you have like a soda here, a cake, some pancakes, candies, flowers, makeup. I love this fashion option here. It's so cute with the cloud, with the little Valentine peeking out. Super cute little living room scene. The extra full boxes in the ultimate kit, you have a little planner with some like a letter and some like wrapping supplies, and then a little love potion with flowers. Again, I love these colors. I think they are so pretty together. The red and the pink with the purple. You have your pattern and then your bottom washi with your extra full box, and then your freebie in both the ultimate and mini is the extra skin tone options for that full box. I love this bottom washi. I am obsessed with plaid recently. Actually, I don't know if it's recently. It's been like 2 years, so I can't say recently, but I love this. I think it'll look so cute with the foil bundle that was released last week, which was the sparkly red hearts, but would also look really cute with a purple or a lavender hollow. It would also look really pretty with any of the core foils, silver, gold, or rose. It's one of those ones that I feel like could go with basically any foil. We also have this one coming out this week, which is the lavender hollow stars. I think this might have been a mystery overstock, which I think this would look really pretty with it as well. I think do we have lavender hollow hearts in shop? I'm not sure. That would be really pretty. If not, yes, we do. We have lavender hollow hearts in shop too. I think that was a mystery overstock, which would also look really pretty with this. I think I actually am going to go with lavender hollow with this kit. I just think it's a really, really pretty combo with that purple. It'll bring it out and like pop against all of the reds. Also, sorry if you can hear construction outside, but hear it. It's loud. That's what happens when I film during the day. So you have ultimate, there is a mini option, and then there is the 15mm strip if you want to add it on the label sampler. And then there's also the fashion option, which I did decide to do a tall and then 2 regular full boxes because I love this tall girl here. But that is the options there. Let's go into, I did this in all a weird order, huh? We'll go into the sticker pack. So this is the sticker pack that matches that kit. It is so cute. I love this art. Let me see if I can get it all out. So this again is in the Sweethearts art. So you have the backer card, which is the plaid, and then you have lots of different stickers. These are on our glossy sticker paper. You have 2 fashion options there. So you can use them as stickers or you can use them as die cuts. You have the phone with the SPC on there, the little card, the cake, some little conversation hearts, the love potion, a balloon, the conversation hearts, and then the like Coke bottle. So that is the sticker pack. And then while I'm on the subject of this kit, I did actually pull this purple color because I love it so much. And it's actually going to be the color of the week for the doodle. I think it's going to match a lot of purples that you have in kits, but also it'll match that one perfectly. So you have sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And these will be available till Monday. And then let's go on to the regular doodles. Again, we're doing this all out of order. I'm just so like, I'm out of it, but y'all know. These are the 10 new doodles for the week. So you do have this like nail sheet. The colors on the nails are the colors from last week's like Valentine's Day line. And then you have this one here, which is the middle finger one, which also has the colors on the nails. It's a little hard to see, but they're tiny. Super cute. That's $3.92. $3.93 is like a gamer headset. This was a requested one on Facebook in the pastel colorway. And then you have some like Mario icons. And then I wanted to do some Lego ones. So you have like a minifigure and then also piles of bricks, Long John Silver's bag, an In-N-Out bag, a Sonic bag, and then also a tombstone with different colored flowers in front of it. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. Now let me show you, well, since we already talked about it, there is the foil bundle. And this is the star foil in Lavender Hollow, super versatile. And this is the page with the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. So you have the 2 pages of those. You have 2 pages of the bougie boxes. You have the scripts and the icons, as well as the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and the date numbers. So that is the foil bundle for this week, and it is on special pricing until Monday. So definitely be sure to pick that up. Next thing I have to show y'all is the exclusive St. Patrick's Day art that I had done. It is so pretty. I wanted to do something like Lucky Charm theme, so you had like the pastel rainbow and lots of sweet treats throughout. So this is called Lucky Charm, and I am obsessed. I think I saw a cake like this on Pinterest, and I was like, we're going full sweet treats, rainbow vibes here, and I am obsessed. I love this little doggy here and the fashion option, the balloons, and again, all of the sweet treats. I just love food, and any kit that has food in it, it's sold. I'm done. I'm here for it. You have a really cute little planner set up on the bottom. So cute. And then also the stack of like Lucky Charm pancakes, and I love all these patterns and the colors. So you have the deco page, glitter headers, half boxes, solid labels, pattern labels, and then the bottom washi is just tons of Lucky Charms. Might be one of my favorite bottom washis of all time just because it's so cute. The extra full box here is a little macaron tray, and then the date covers do have like the rainbow through the words. I love this page so much. I don't know if I've ever been so excited about a bottom washi before, but like it just, I could taste it in my mouth. I could taste all those marshmallows. And then your extra box here, your freebie in both mini and ultimate. You have a little welcome mat situation, and then more treats and like little gold coin stacks. So that is Lucky Charms, and I'm so obsessed with it. I think it's my favorite St. Patrick's Day art that we've had done custom yet, and I just think it's so pretty. Let's go through the extra options if you want to add them on. There is a 15mm strip which has the like rainbow, and then there is the label sampler if you want to add that on. There is fashion options if you want to add it on, and then last but not least there is also the label sampler too, which gives you more colors. So if you wanted to do just these colors, that's what's in the kit. But if you wanted to, let's say maybe get a mini kit and then get 2 of these and then do more of like a rainbow vibe, you could totally put these in where they go and add to the rainbow. So that is Lucky Charm, and I'm so in love with it. It also does come in a mini kit. And last but certainly not least, we have Clover, which is also a really pretty St. Patrick's Day art. It's a little bit more subtle, which I think is great because if you wanted to use, let's say, that one for St. Patrick's Day and you wanted to use this one just in March or April or May, I think that this one just has general, like kind of like tea party, cottage kind of vibes, just really pretty spring. That's the word I'm looking for. The season, you know, spring vibes. I think this would be really pretty for a birthday as well. You do have a couple of like clovers in here, and I think Clover would be actually a really pretty name for like a girl. I think it's just super cute. So you have your full boxes here. I love this fashion option here. I just think so stinking cute. The outfit and the hair is on point. And I love the little like terrarium, one of those, and the scene. Extra full boxes in the ultimate. Love these colors together. It's very like muted greens with the gray and then a pop of pink. So cute. Glitter headers, half boxes, solid, and pattern labels. Your bottom washi is a Clover pattern, and then your extra box here is just a secondary full box scene. And then the extra in both the ultimate and mini is an extra fashion option. So you will have 4 options in both of the kits. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit, and there are, of course, add-on options. So the add-on options for this kit, you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There is also the label sampler, and then there is more fashion options if you want to add those on as well. that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. I know it was a little bit all over the place. I'm also hoping to get December Mystery out a little bit early. I did get out, not Cyber Monday Mystery, December Mystery, which was one that shipped last month a little bit early because I know like Black Friday shipping times, it kind of can take a while, but I also want to get out this month's a little bit early because December in general is a little bit long. So I'm hoping to have that out probably not next week, but the next, well, not this week, you're seeing this on Monday, not this week, but next week I'm hoping to get that out for y'all, so you can get it as early as possible because that is January Mystery and it is beautiful. There is extras in both the Ultimate and the Mini. The Ultimate has 1, 2, 3 extras, 3 or 4, 3, I think 3 extras on top of the normal format. So really excited about that, and the Mini does have extras as well. So that is everything for this week. Again, everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. If I add anything to the releases, I will put it on Instagram. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.